The finger millet, which is full of antioxidants, a powerhouse of nutrients, a powerhouse of calcium, protein, iron. The richness in iron makes it look darker. We should always include all these whole grains, all these complex carbohydrates which help us to cure many deficiency diseases. They satiate us for longer time and keep us fuller. Let's begin with the recipe without wasting much time. For the recipe, we will take 1 cup of ragi atta, and for this 1 cup of ragi atta, we will take exactly 1 cup of water. Now the trick is, since ragi or finger millet is gluten free, so it becomes difficult for us to bind it together to knead it properly. But the hot water does the trick. I here add a pinch of salt just to show you, otherwise I don't add salt. Add some crushed peppercorns, cumin seeds, coriander seeds, carom seeds. This gives it a flavorful and very tasty it becomes. Let this water come to a boil so that all these wonder masalas leave all the flavor in the water. If you don't want to add these, you can completely skip this step and go with plain water only, but you have to boil the water. Now put off the gas flame and put the atta, 1 cup of atta, in the hot boiling water. Give it a quick mix. Be careful, both water and the vessel both are very hot, so be very careful. I'm used to it, that's why I'm able to do it. Now take this mix out on a plate and take some water in this vessel. The water here should be at room temperature. Since the dough is very hot, you have to knead it at this point only, but when you apply and wet your hands with the water, this will help a lot. You will not bruise yourself. So keep wetting your hands continuously and start kneading the dough. As you can see, dough is coming together because of the hot water. Hot water helps the proteins to form the structure inside, and it helps in getting the atta well kneaded. Ragi is rich in complex carbohydrates and it's rich in various minerals which helps us to stay healthy, fit, fuller for a longer time. Now take some ghee rub this in between your palms and divide this dough into equal balls. If you don't want to use ghee, you can completely avoid it. If you are on a certain diet restrictions, you can avoid ghee and apply olive oil or any other oil of your choice or as your doctor has recommended you. But for normal people, using ghee is good because it's a good source of fat and it helps in the assimilation of fat soluble vitamins. It's rich in vitamin D and E. Now it's time to roll the rotis. Now roll this dough similarly as you do with your atta roti or wheat roti. Apply some dry flour and roll it out with the rolling pin. As you can see how quick and easy this method is and how quickly I am able to roll the roti easily. This way we can give our family a promise of goodness a promise of good health, a serving full of nutrients. We should include all these cereals one by one in a rotation in our diet. We should not stick to only wheat or rice. These cereals, which are complex carbohydrates, they break down in our body. They take time to break down and they take time to get digested, and we stay fuller for longer time. Staying fuller for longer time means we'll not eat quickly again. So that means weight loss. This helps in your weight loss journey. These complex carbohydrates help in your diabetes management, and if you stick to the strict rule, you can also reverse your diabetes. As you can see how well it's puffing up and how beautiful it is looking. The darker, the prettier. The darker, the full of nutrients and full of values. So having one or two rotis is enough for you. You should always be able to control your portions. Eat everything, but control the portions. Control the portion you are eating. See how well the roti is cooked and how well it's puffing up. And have a delicious as well as nutritious, guilt-free meal. You can serve this with anything, any chutney. I served it with poached egg and one sausage. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Eat healthy, live healthy, sleep well, and think healthy, which is most important.